amid the challenges of COVID-19 pandemic and Western-driven environment of protectionism and unilateralism, the economists in Pakistan are of the view that RCEP offers great prospects for regional and eventually for global trade and multilateralism. Since under RCEP, more than 90% of merchandise trade between approved members would eventually be subjected to zero tariffs, while it covers around 30% of world's GDP, population and the trade volume.
So I think this is a good news for the APEC region, and we have a new round of economic recovery through this free trade agreement. Difference, what it makes from other free trade agreements is that it is distinct from the West-dominated globalization practices. We see a clear development divide between the North and the South. But this agreement is going to narrow down this development gap among the countries. It is certainly a win-win cooperation.
Although it is regional, but it has the colors and the shapes of the global market. And you know, whenever your cooperation and engagement goes on the regional level, that means that you have to go along at the global level. So ultimately, this initiative must be contributing a lot for the development and the welfare of the people, because you know all the world has gone into a deep ditch after this COVID.
RCEP, which took effect on January 1st this year, is made up of 10 ASEAN members, as well as China, Japan, South Korea, Australia and New Zealand,